Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's your boy Troy, and today we are putting up Christmas lights because I am a very festive boy. So hopefully I don't fall off the ladder. But if we do, I'll have it recorded for YouTube content. Always gotta put your life on the line for content, huh?
I knew you were recording when you were quiet. Just up in his thing now, like
Now
watching TV.
This is how you put on the scarf, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. Ladders. Not a fan, but hopefully I don't fall off. As I said though, it'll make great content. I feel like a WWE superstar climbing this ladder right now. Okay, let's see how this goes. That makes sense. That makes sense, right? And then click the lights here. Okay. This is awesome. My sweater smells amazing. But I forgot to vlog the after of me putting up the lights. So it's just on the roof. And then, yeah, I did that small little process. And then I just put some on the side here because I didn't want to do it up there because the ladder just isn't tall enough. And I ain't Jeff Hardy. I ain't going up there. You bugging out. So I just said, let's do something simple. You know what I mean? And yeah, I'm just gonna go shoot around too. I'll probably post some pictures in the vlog, why not? All right, peace. So I'm curious, does anybody else have late night cravings? And I mean like McDonald's Sunday and 2 apple pies late night cravings. If you do, let me know in the comments down below.
1 caramel, a cone in the sauce, anything else?
And 4 apple pies, if you guys have.
I don't know if I have 4.
Oh, okay.
Let me look.
Yes, yes. These Sundays are about to hit. And the apple pies. I got the last 3 apple pies, so I'm feeling like NBA Finals MVP right now. Clutching it. I'm LeBron James in the 4th in the finals. Getting to the last 3 apple pies. Thank you very much.
No problem.
You too. Sorry guys, the vlog has been everywhere. That was like the whole weekend. I wasn't really inspired to do much vlogging, but thanks for watching. And you know what we always say here at the household that I'm living in, like, as I always say right here in the household that we're living in, like, comments. As I always say right here in this household that we're living
Your
in.
lips are dry.
What we always say here in the household I'm living in.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Peace.
Look at the squirrel eating the thing.
The cherry. No, it's the apple.
It's
It's a baby apple.
yeah.